Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide your phone number on Facebook. First of all, open your Facebook apps. Now I'm opening my Facebook apps and log in your account. Look here, this is my Facebook account dashboard. Now I'm showing a easy method step by step, so follow my all process. Look at the right corner, tap on three line, scroll down, settings and privacy, and settings, and then scroll down, tap on how people find and contact you, and select everyone to only me. Okay, now successfully hide your phone number. Hope you are enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button and thank you for watching.